Unsold auction property. Welcome to PropMarker, your ultimate destination for discovering the unsold auction properties. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our unsold auction properties exclusive opportunities that can significantly enhance your investment portfolio. Unsold auction properties aren't just leftovers from auctions, they represent smart investment prospects for individuals like yourself. Post-auction, these properties retain immense potential and could be the key to expanding your real estate holdings. What makes unsold auction properties so compelling? These properties are often undervalued, distressed, or have overdue taxes, presenting a fantastic chance to acquire them at a considerable discount, a perfect fit for investors and developers like you. Why are we emphasizing these unsold deals? Because they offer substantial returns on investment. That's where our cutting-edge software, PropMarker, comes into play. PropMarker employs advanced technology to uncover these hidden gems for you. Our software facilitates the discovery of unsold auction properties, allowing you to maximize your return on investment and optimize your financial journey. To explore an unsold auction property on our platform, let's dive into Flat 17, Maygood House, Maygood Street, London, N19QR. Here you'll find comprehensive details about the property. Check out the auction date and other highlights under the Property Highlights section, crucial keys to your investment. Explore the map, review floor plans, and examine sold, rental, and on-market comparables for a thorough property analysis by clicking the Property Comparables tab. Use our comparable generating tools for a custom analysis by clicking the Property Comparable tab. PropMarker's map view offers a visual overview of properties, while Sold in Street reveals recent sales for valuable market insights. The Market Analysis section assists in making informed decisions on buying, selling, or investing. The Schools and Universities feature provides a quick look at nearby educational institutions by clicking the Postcode Info tab. The Deal Analyzer tool assesses property investment potential, considering factors like ROI and yield, whether for rent or flip. PropMarker also offers safety information on crime rates and demographics. Download the report by clicking View Property Report, a compiled version of all the property details. Ready to elevate your investment game? Let PropMarker guide you to unsold auction properties that could pave the way to success. Explore untapped potential, seize hidden opportunities, and witness your property collection flourish. PropMarker, where opportunities meet investment. Start your journey today.